Hi everybody, how to solve this t? T is the power of 6 is equal to 5 to the power of 6. Solution: t is the power of 6 is equal to 5 to the power of 6. Same as t is the power of 6 minus 5 to the power of 6 is equal to 0. T is the power of 3 power of 2 minus 5 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 0. Based on this become t is the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 into t to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Two cases: t to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Case 1, and this one, t to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Case 2. Case 1, this part, t to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. If it is a and if it is b, is a cubed plus b cubed is the same as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So based on this part, t plus 5 into t square minus 5t plus 5 square is equal to 0. This is same as t plus 5 is equal to 0, or t square minus 5t plus 25 is 5 square equal to 0. So this t is equal to minus 5, is t1, and this one, t square minus 5t plus 25 is equal to 0. T is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Now this a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 5 and c 25. So this t equal to minus 5 plus or minus the radical minus 5 square minus 4ac. A is 1 and c is 25 over 2 times a 1. T is equal to 5 plus or minus under radical 25 minus 100 over 2, or this t is equal to 5 plus or minus under radical common 25 into 1 minus 4 over 2, and this is same as t equal to 5 plus or minus under radical 25 times minus 3 over 2, and this is same as t is equal to 5 plus or minus under radical 25 under radical 3 under radical minus 1 over 2. T is equal to 5 plus or minus 5 plus 3i over 2. This is the second solution. From case 2 to 3 minus 5 3 is equal to 0. If it is a and if it is b, a cubed minus b cubed is the same as a minus b times a square plus a times b plus b square. Based on this one become t minus 5 into t square plus 5t plus 5 square is equal to 0. T minus 5 is equal to 0, and t square plus 5t plus this 25 is equal to 0. From this t is equal to 5 t4 solution, and from this t square plus 5t plus 25 is equal to 0. T is equal to minus b plus or minus under radical b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now this is a equal to 1 and b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 25, and this t is equal to minus 5 plus or minus under radical b square 5 square minus 4a is 1 and c is 25 over 2 times 1. Same as t is equal to minus 5 plus or minus the radical 5 square 25 minus 4 times 25 over 2 is equal to minus 5 plus or minus under radical 25 1 minus 4 common 25 over 2. T is equal to minus 5 plus or minus the radical 25 times minus 3 over 2. T is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 5 is radical 25 is 5 times root 3 I over 2, and this based on this one, this is the 5 and 6 solution of t. Therefore t1 is equal to minus 5, t2 and 3 is equal to 5 plus or minus 5 root 3i over 2. t4 is equal to 5, 5 and 6 is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 5 root 3i over 2. Solution of t. Like this video.
Here is the second question.
How to solve this t? T over 5 times t over 5 is equal to 5 over t times 5 over t. So the solution t over 5 times t over 5 is equal to 5 over t times 5 over t times t square. 5 times 5 square is equal to 5 times 5 square over t square. Now this t multiplies by this t square times t square is equal to 5 square this times this 5 square. T square the power of 2 is equal to 5 square the power of 2. T square the power of 2 minus this 5 square the power of 2 is equal to 0. If it is a and if it is b, a square minus b square is the same as a plus b times a minus b. So based on this, these parts become t square plus 5 square times t square minus 5 square is equal to 0. So t square plus 5 square is equal to 0, and this t square minus 5 square is equal to 0. We take these parts, t square plus 5 square is equal to 0. If it is a and if it is b, a square plus b square is the same as a plus bi times a minus bi. Based on this, these parts become t plus 5i into t minus 5i is equal to 0. T plus 5i equal to 0 and t minus 5i equal to 0. And from this t is equal to minus 5i, and from this t is equal to 5i. t1 and here is t2. And from the above case, t square minus 5 square is equal to 0. If it is a and if it is b, a square minus b square is the same as a plus b times a minus b. So based on these parts, t plus 5 into t minus 5 is equal to 0, and from this t plus 5 is equal to 0 and t minus 5 is equal to 0. So t is equal to minus 5 and t is equal to 5. We search and for the source of t. For t1 is equal to minus 5i and t2 is equal to 5i, t3 is equal to minus 5 and t4 is equal to 5. Let's check. T over 5 times t over 5 is equal to 5 over t times 5 over t. 20 is equal to t1 is equal to minus 5i. Substitute this minus 5i on t. Minus 5i over 5 times minus 5i over 5 is it equal to 5 over minus 5i times 5 over minus 5i. Minus 5 times minus 5, 25 I square over this 5 times 5, 25 is it equal to 25 over 25 I square, and this is same as I square is equal to 1 over I square. Since this cancelled by this one and this cancelled by this one, I square is same as minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 1 over minus 1, which is the same as minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, t is equal to t1 is equal to minus 5i is the right solution. And when t is equal to t2, 5i t over 5 times t over 5 equal to 5 over t times 5 over t, and when t is 5i over 5 times 5i over 5 is it equal 5 over 5i times 5 over 5i. So this 5 times 5 is 25i square times I square over 25 is it equal to this 5 times 5, 25 over 5 times 5i, 25i square. So this 25i square over 25i square is I square is it equal to this 1 over I square. I square same as minus 1. So based on this minus 1 is equal to 1 over minus 1. This minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, this t is equal to t2 is equal to 5i is the right solution. When t is equal to t3 is equal to minus 5, t over 5 times t over 5 is equal to 5 over t times 5 over t, and the t value is minus 5. Minus 5 over 5 times minus 5 over 5 is equal to 5 over minus 5 times 5 over minus 5 is minus 5 times minus 5, 25 over this 25 is it equal 5 times 5, 25 over is minus 5 times minus 5, 25. As is the same as 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, 2 is equal to 3 is equal to minus 5 is the right solution. When 2 is equal to t4 is equal to 5, t over 5 times t over 5 is equal to 5 over t times 5 over t. 5 over 5 times 5 over 5 is it equal to 5 over 5 times 5 over 5. 25 over 25 is equal to 25 over 25. 1 is equal to 1, therefore for t is equal to t4 is equal to 5 is the right solution. This is all. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more. Bye bye for now.